Hey there, heard of Angry Sarge HQ? It's not just a store, it's a haven for warriors like you. Here, you can unleash your inner strength and proudly display your clan spirit. They offer a killer collection of patches and stickers that are more than decorations. These are badges of honor, a way to show the world you belong to the Angry Sarge clan. So come on in, browse their awesome selection, and find the perfect way to rep your inner warrior. Gear up with the OG Essentials collection. Honor a legend with the Momma Skullz collection. Show your clan pride with the clan flag kit. Or, grab the ultimate sticker pack and show your clan spirit on everything you own. With their Gear Up, Give Back program, every purchase gets you in the running for epic rewards. 1 out of every 10 orders gets a surprise reward, from $20 to $200. But that's not all. If you snag the complete OG Essentials collection, you'll also be entered in a special bonus drawing for a $500 reward once they all sell out. Think about it, you snag some killer Angry Sarge merch that reminds you to be a warrior, become part of a clan, and there's a chance your order number might be the lucky one. Your support makes a real impact.